Orangutans exhibit remarkable cognitive abilities. They are proficient problem solvers, capable of using tools in creative ways. In captivity, they have been observed using tools to extract food, solve puzzles, and even communicate with humans through sign language. This intelligence aids them in adapting to the challenges of their environment, such as finding food and building nests. Their diet primarily consists of fruits, but they also consume leaves, bark, flowers, and insects. Orangutans are frugivores, meaning that they rely heavily on fruits for sustenance. Orangutans also exhibit empathy and compassion, comforting and consoling others in times of distress. Orangutans are superbly adapted for life in the trees. Their long arms and strong hands with opposable thumbs allow them to move effortlessly through the forest canopy, employing a form of locomotion called brachiation. Their large size is also supported by robust hand and foot grips, enabling them to navigate and forage in a dense forest environment. Despite their predominantly solitary nature, orangutans possess complex social cognition. They demonstrate a deep understanding of social relationships and hierarchies, particularly within their maternal kin groups. Orangutans display innovative tool use in the wild, utilizing a variety of objects for different purposes. For example, they fashion tools from branches to extract insects from tree bark or use leaves as makeshift umbrellas to shield themselves from rain. This ability to manipulate objects for specific tasks showcases their problem-solving skills and adaptability. Orangutans exhibit cultural transmission, where knowledge and behaviors are passed down through generations within their populations. Different populations of orangutans may exhibit unique foraging techniques or tool-use behaviors, indicating the transmission of learned behaviors from one generation to the next. This cultural diversity highlights the complexity of orangutan societies and their ability to adapt to local environmental conditions. Orangutans possess impressive long-term memory capabilities. They remember the locations of fruiting trees and the seasonal availability of resources, allowing them to plan their movements and foraging activities accordingly. This ability to recall past experiences and anticipate future events is essential for their survival in the ever-changing rainforest environment. Orangutans display a range of emotions, including joy, frustration, and sadness. They can form strong emotional bonds with their offspring and other members of their social group, exhibiting behaviors such as grooming and play to strengthen social ties. They demonstrate flexibility in problem-solving, adapting their strategies to new challenges. Research has shown that they can employ different techniques to achieve the same goal, depending on the context and available resources. Orangutans possess excellent spatial navigation skills, enabling them to navigate through the complex forest environment with precision. They have a keen sense of direction and can remember the locations of landmarks and resources over large distances. This spatial memory is crucial for their foraging activities and territorial movements. They exhibit self-awareness, as demonstrated by their ability to recognize themselves in mirrors. This capacity for self-recognition suggests a level of self-awareness and introspection, similar to that observed in other great apes and certain other intelligent species.